What's going on, guys? Another beautiful day here in Edmonton, Alberta. Welcome to week 2 of quarantine. I am losing my f***ing mind. Oh my god. I'm going through withdrawal of no car parts. Stuff's not coming. What do I spend my money on? I'm lost, man. I don't know what to do. So now I can't modify my cars. I guess I have to fix them? Where's the fun in that? That's a nightmare. Once again, Honda Civic. Don't have a Honda. Let's say Honda anywhere. Honda Civic, as you do, since Jeep parts are not here, not coming. Probably not going to come here for a while, and that's fine, I guess. So because I can't buy things online, well, I can, but they just don't come. I had to resort to going online to talk to people locally to give them money in exchange for car parts, used parts. We got us a banger of a deal though. We got us a B&M short shifter with the bushing spacer thingies for a hard 20 bucks, like Canadian bucks. That's not bad. So dual bend B&M. This is not aluminum. Good. Apparently they like to break their aluminum, and I'm good at breaking things. It's got this weird little at the top. I don't know if that's normal, but 20 bucks, so it's good enough for me. So our plan is to that's satisfying. Take this old girl out, which is hella stock, I hope. I really hope. So I go through all this for pretty much no reason. I'll be a slightly upset camper. However, when I put the linkage in, I just threw in a bolt we had in our toolbox, which is not recommended. So it's a little small, and that's what most of this is, hopefully. So we're gonna crawl underneath and see what we're working with, and go from there, I guess. That would be the bolt. That would be the bolt we're replacing. Guess it just needs spacers, but actually it's pretty close. Huh, so we might actually reuse that bolt from what it looks like. Gonna undo these two cute little numbers there, and those are gonna suck, and it's gonna be a fun time. So let's get to this. I'm already cold. You got a nut on either side underneath here. And apparently these like to spin. So, see what we can do for that. How we're gonna make that happen. Then we get disassemble. It's pretty cold, I'll be honest. My motivation's dropped a bit. A lot. Alright guys, so it's been some time. I got the entire, I just took the shift linkage out and did some work on her, disassembled her, went inside and warmed up. So, back at her. Yeah, I'm calling it. That's officially de-rusted. So I just went and welded those on, because I didn't feel like screwing with those. That's literally a 2-second thing that I'll never have to do again, but yeah. What I found worked is I threw a 12mm wrench on them, on the flat spots. But you could use vice grips or something. So anyway, these are the shifters. So there's not a huge change in length, but whatever. B&M is shorter overall, but whatever. I had to pull it all apart to get some spacers or these bushings in there anyway, so we'll see how it is. We'll see if it's a huge difference or not, but that's that. Now I gotta reassemble this whole setup and then throw her in, see how it goes, I guess. It's not too bad of a job actually. I thought the exhaust would put up a fight. It did. Who am I kidding? But I won. Well, we got her in. It's a hell of a lot tighter and a hell of a lot colder out right now. Just got her all buttoned up here. Nice and tight. Tight is right. I tell you right now, that is a hell of a lot shorter. Huh. Well, guys, I might have screwed up a bit. When you put your shifter in, I used an impact on Stovers, so she's pretty stiff. Also, boom. Look at that. That is race car. I'm now calling our shifting situation done. So we're gonna go into gear. Look at that. Look at that! Woo! Neutral. Man, this is so much better. This thing was like, she was just a floppy gopher before. It's a pretty short shift. Camera does not pick it up well. The B&M was like maybe an inch shorter in threads, but when you're sitting here, that thing looks like a little robot dick. Like, this is tiny. I love it. It's a dual bend. Uh-oh. It's a dual bend. So, you know, it's not too far away. I'm 6'2", and with my shoulder in the seat, it's not too bad. This thing is stiff as hell. I might honestly, I might have to crack a nut loose a bit. The one that holds the shifting bushing on. Might want to that one off a bit, but other than that, it's pretty damn good. Thanks for watching, fellas. I'm gonna go drive the shit out of this car.